Back in 1993, I began a project in Honduras with Curtis Buchanan and Scott Landis as what started out to be an exploration of the possibilities of teaching artisan woodworking as a way of supporting sustainable forest management. We had some successes early on, and the project grew to become a nonprofit organization called Greenwood here in the U.S. and a sister organization, an NGO called Madera Verde, which is Spanish for Greenwood, in La Ceiba, Honduras. It had been a while since I'd gone to Honduras, but as we developed new products here, the thoughts continue to go back to Honduras and a new relationship that we have there with a trio of Sawyer's cooperatives in La Mosquitia. These guys are currently making guitar neck blanks for Taylor Guitar out of old-growth, sustainably managed mahogany. Back in July, I went back to Honduras to take a really close look firsthand at what this material is.
Oh, vaquero! Hey, cowboy!
One of the things that's just amazing about this, they're dropping these trees, which are 4 or 5 feet in diameter, freehand chainsawing the full 60-foot length of these, then cutting them into 8-foot-long log halves before they can get a sawmill around them. About 50% of the wood, though, that they're cutting is not quite guitar neck grade. Very good, solid material, but has color variations or other reasons for that make it difficult to become guitar neck. Still great chair wood. And some of these have beautiful grain patterns. Some of them have unusual density, unusual characteristics that actually adds to the beauty, yet doesn't have a local market in Honduras. I found a huge array of very interesting material, gorgeous mahogany that is really in need of a market. Having an international market to appeal to is a very important part of their survival as sustainable loggers. So I have been kind of thinking about these guys and looking for ways that I can incorporate what that off-fall might be into the work that we've been doing. Recently, our Suniva line and even our guitar chairs or Sonus chairs, musicians' chairs, have really been great candidates for using some of this material. Mahogany adds a beautiful alternative and a very classy touch to this line, so I'm very excited about this new development. Beautiful material, and we look forward to having it here